if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my
Well, central fishing crew we outside. But these now we settings here, we just outside here. There's some men, pulling in our seine. Let we see where he's seen, let we see where they will get.
I just clean it out. I got that for you.
This well the scene here is a traditional way of holding fish. I just make a little circle and come back in, and hopefully I get lucky. Maybe hold on and see these fellas if they will get lucky. Now I'm pulling up that right.
Pull up right in front. Okay. And come back. Now walking on.
I understand they're coming closer now. You see nothing jumping in the net to me and what's going on.
The fish beaten up in that way.
Ah, but same thing beating in the net.
Alex on me.
So the net have a bag in it, the bag to the end there. It's a team effort here guys, a team effort. There are a few mullet. Nothing major.
Hey, yeah man! Hi! Bring me thing there for the fish,
The big fisher man there. Easy man look like he know what's going on. You got the carafe that fish, watch him. So the fellas tell them they ain't get nothing big, they got a small scrape. Yeah, that mullet does make real nice weight. Cover next one, the bone or mullet? There's a bone there. There's some multiple species. They make a small scrape, nothing big. They get through. Some grunt and some mullet. Nice little strip, man.
Hey, you hold the fish, boy.
So that was in approximately about 100 feet, I believe. A papi done started deal with it. Bait. By the team there. Central fishing crew over and out.